Welcome back, traders. I hope y'all doing well. This is Ryan with an announcement, but first I want to go over how I predicted a 1,000 point move in Nasdaq and how you can take advantage of my videos if you're struggling with the higher time frame bias. So I have my YouTube channel pulled up here, and as you can see, I do have some videos where I review futures prop firms. But if you don't know, every week I put out a market preview video where I take a look at the market and give you my opinions and outlook. Now I want to take a look at this video right here that I put out 11 days ago on April 7th titled, Will Nasdaq Move 1,000 Points? And I just want to take a look at a small clip in this video. Daily fair value gap. So now I'm looking for this to be an inverted fair value gap to take prices lower below this low here. I want to see a market structure shift on the daily, and then if we get below here and should we start declining quickly, I'm looking for sell side below this low and also this low right here back into an old inefficiency. Now I'm not saying that this is going to happen all in this week, because from where I'm thinking and where we are currently at in price, that is a 1,000 point move. So perhaps this could happen over the next 2 to 3 weeks. So you heard it there, guys. I'm looking for this inverted fair value gap to be resistance, and then I'm looking for price to push below this swing low, confirming a market structure shift. If that happens, I'm looking for sell side liquidity below this low, and this low here. Now let's go into the chart and see what happened during this week. Here's the daily chart for Nasdaq, and I scroll back to when I made that market preview. So if you look here on the top left corner here for the date, this last candle here on screen is the daily candle for April 5th. Now, remember what I said in the video. I want to see this inverted fair value gap is resistance. Then I'm looking for a market structure shift below this low for confirmation. And if that happens, then I'm looking for these sell side liquidity. But most importantly, I said I did not think it was going to happen in 1 week, but probably within 2 to 3 weeks. So let's go ahead and take a look at what happens in the next week here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, we see that price basically just consolidated, but importantly, we see that price stayed within this inverted fair value gap. None of these days did price ever go above this inverted fair value gap. I said the move can happen within 2 to 3 weeks, so let's see what happens on the second week. Monday, we get price coming down below the swing low. So there we go, we have the confirmation. Now I don't think price is going to revisit this inverted fair value gap. I am looking for downward movement below these lows and back into that old inefficiency. So we have Tuesday was kind of an indecisive day, but then Wednesday we got very close to this low, but we did not actually take it out. But we can see that now it created relative lows, prime target for Thursday to hit, which it did. And then looking for this low and this inefficiency, and we got Friday, we see we dipped down into that inefficiency, and now we are currently back up here. So I am recording this video on April 19th. As you can see, this candle is the April 19th candle, so technically it's not done forming, but as you can see already from the overnight lows, we dipped down into the fair value gap that I was looking for, and then back here. Now I think price is going to just consolidate within this range for the rest of today because we've already met our higher time frame objective. Now I predicted this 1,000 point move 2 weeks ahead of time, and I even gave you guys all the relevant price points. Now in no way am I saying that I am correct 100% of the time, but if you have been looking at my weekly previews, you'll know that I'm right a lot of the times. And you can always go back to see my previous videos to see how I'm using order flow to get my higher time frame bias. So if you're struggling with bias, I recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get my weekly previews each and every week. I also do videos looking into futures prop firms and giving you my honest opinion on them. But those prop firm videos may not come out in the next few weeks because I am taking a trip to Thailand and I may not have enough time to get those videos out to you. But I'm going to do my best to give you guys a good weekly preview each and every week so you can still expect those videos to come out. So if you haven't done so yet, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until next time, guys, safe trading.